some of that wet weather that is associated with Aaron, a massive storm here. See the eye, we saw that kind of peek out again earlier this morning. It had been clouded over, a sign of strengthening, and this storm does have 110-mile-per-hour winds right now. The actual size of this, across is about 800 miles. That visible satellite picture showing you some of that cloud structure that's really close to the eye. And yeah, those outer bands of clouds already even into central North Carolina. Highest seas, of course, closest to the center, but we're starting to get some wave heights that are getting upwards close to double digits just off the coast of places like Hatteras. And we do, of course, still have surf and rip current concerns, large breaking waves, overwash, beach erosion, and some minimal property damage right along the coastline. Tropical storm warning is going to stay up through Thursday. Those gusts could be around 50 to 60 miles an hour. Storm surge 2 to 4 feet. Those waves reaching 15 to 20 feet, and they will likely come crashing on the shore. And of course, the rip current risk as well. And look at some of the latest wind gusts from the buoys offshore. You're seeing some 50 to 70 mile per hour gusts as the storm does get a little bit closer. You come a little closer to the Outer Banks. The gusts, of course, not as high just yet, but they will likely come up too. We're seeing anywhere between 15 to 30 mile per hour gusts over the last few hours. Our forecast gusts as we transition into the nighttime hours, the worst winds expected tomorrow. Morning, midday, afternoon, you can see along the Outer Banks we're in that 50 to 65 mile per hour range, at least for several hours as the storm comes closest and then moves away by late tomorrow. That forecast track again still a little bit to the west, but the farther west it is, of course, the more intense the winds will be. We're anticipating that this potentially could become a major hurricane. It does still have some warm water to go over, so we'll keep a close eye on that. Really doesn't matter at this point. It's mainly that size for the wind and the waves that are going to be reaching our coastline. That's going to cause a problem. So the Outer Banks forecast, of course, deteriorating tonight and into the day tomorrow, improving as we head toward the weekend with those skies getting a little bit better. Along the Crystal Coast, of course, tropical storm conditions through tomorrow, and then better forecast sliding into the weekend. And down to the south, Myrtle Beach, of course, kind of tucked inlet a little bit, so not going to experience as much of an issue with this, but still going to have some high waves and some dangerous surf. Here's your 7-day forecast. Look at this. I want you to look at next week. Highs in the 70s, morning temperatures in the 50s. Getting closer to Labor Day with that.